This is Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am here with a tiny tip to help you get more things done. Do you find that you have a long to-do list and sometimes you're so overwhelmed by all the to-dos that you end up doing hardly any of them? Instead of having the one long list, I suggest that you take from that list and make a daily to-do list. These tasks should be small and actionable. Clean out the garage is too big an item for a daily to-do list. Instead, you might say, review the items on these 2 shelves in the garage. I know we have a lot to do, and maybe the list is long, but keeping our to-do list realistic is very helpful. It requires us to prioritize what is most important to do today. Having a short list that you can actually achieve will make you feel better as you look back on your day and will also make you feel more optimistic as you prepare your list for the next day. You've got this.